Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to save your Instagram live videos on Android. If you want to automatically save your live streams or download them later, this is super easy. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Make sure you're on your homepage. Now look for your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. Now, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. This opens your menu with various options. Okay, now you should be on Settings and Activity. Now scroll down and look for Archiving and Downloading. It should be under your App and Media section. Tap on that. Here's the thing. You'll see several options here, like Save Story to Archive, Save Live to Archive, or Save to Camera Roll. What we want is Save Live to Archive. Tap on the toggle switch next to Save Live to Archive to turn it on. Once it's enabled, Instagram will automatically save every live video you do to your archive. Now, keep in mind these archived live videos only stay for 30 days. So if you want to keep them longer, you need to download them. And that's it. Your Instagram live videos are now saved and downloaded. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.